I am Priyanka and he's Naveen, and we started consulting Dr. Aruna Kalra, when we had just started planning a family, and I think that was in 2019 or tab se फिर we have been associated with her. I had some preconception complications. She took it very easily and guided us through that difficult phase when we were not sure if we will be able to conceive naturally or not. But then she made that happen, and it was in early 2020 when I conceived naturally, and that is when the phase started, and our association with her continued. And so I recently had my baby on 6th of November 2020. There were some complications initially which were detected in the months of August and September, and everyone in this world said that in the end I was going to have a C-section delivery of my baby, which I did not want. And there was one point in time when I straightforward asked the doctor, and she very sternly said that, why do you think you're going to have a C-section? So nothing at this point in time says that you cannot have a normal delivery. And in the end, I'm very happy to share that I had a normal delivery, and everything has been going good so far. So all these 9 months, and I think even more, has been just more than pleasant for us. And Dr. Aruna Kalra is a brilliant doctor, and I never broke out this news to her, but then there are already 2 kids in my family which were taken care of by Dr. Kalra herself, and she's the doctor who I'm going to recommend to each and every person. And if at all there is another requirement for my consultation for another gynecologist, and if I'm anywhere in this country, I'll definitely be reaching out to Dr. Kalra.
And as a husband and attendant during her stay at the hospital, I would like to say something about the nursing staff. So from nursing staff you expect both professionalism as well as empathy, and we experienced both of that. So for a first time mother, it was very important that nursing staff not only took care of the medical needs but also comforted her, because it can be very scary being a first time mother and a first time father.
Absolutely.
So that is another very good experience that we had at this hospital.
And this hospital is definitely going to be very renowned because it has a brilliant team of doctors and the nursing staff. And the COVID and everything, the precautions and everything, the safety measures that they take over here were all to the best of their standards. So we never had any concern that we'll catch any infection or something. So everything is taken duly care of over here. So at the main entrance itself, they make sure that the temperature and everything, they ask questions, they ask apt questions to make sure that no patient in the hospital who is entering has even the slightest chance of any kind of an infection. So that is a good thing over here. During my stay, in fact, I was never bothered that any kind of infection or COVID or anything else can be a problem in this good hospital. So we were sorted on that part. I have already recommended this hospital to so many people in last 1 year. So, and there have been a couple of deliveries of my friends and colleagues already. There have been other areas of expertise where my friends and colleagues have taken benefits from this hospital, not only related to pregnancy or maternity, but other health issues as well. So I think I will any day refer this hospital to any friend, relative or colleagues that I have.